Hello, my name is Kit Beaudry with Marine Max Pensacola, and today we're going to take you on a walkthrough of this new 2020 Boston Whaler 420 Outrage. Welcome aboard. Here we are on board the 420 Outrage. As you'll notice at the transom, we're in skyhook. The engines are working, hold us on the spot. If you want to fish the 420 or you want to cruise it, this boat is built for both. Powered by quad 400 Mercury Verados. Moving into the cockpit, you'll notice large transom seating that does tuck away. Great seating in the cockpit, along with your transom seat. You have the starboard side seat that tucks away when you're ready to fish the boat. Down below, we have our generator, our Seakeeper, and lots of storage. As you can hear the Fisher Panda generator running, along with our Seakeeper spooled, easy access for everything with a clean, finished bilge. On those days you just want to cruise with the family, you have a large cockpit teak table, stores under the hatch. Easily access, set it up, great for entertaining. If you're ready to fish on the 420, you can do it. Both port and starboard fish boxes have built-in freezer plates. Save your ice, throw your fish in, give it a little bit, and they're frozen. We've ordered this 420 Outrage with a great configuration of many different features along this summer kitchen setup. From your tackle storage in your sink, to your live well when you want to fish, keeping the drinks cool in the refrigerator, to your Kenyan electric grill. The key is to stay cool on those hot summer days. With Boston Whaler 420 Outrage, you have the great Sure Shade. We've made our way to the helm deck. On the 420, seating is key. From your back flip-up seat with AC and heat for all of your guests, to the triple helm seats for the people that are running the boat. We've made our way to the helm. We've equipped this particular boat with dual Raymarine Axiom XLs. As you can see, we have our vessel view set up, our joystick, throttles, our active trim, our command mic VHF, our main control for the VHF, our Seakeeper module, and lastly, up above, the optional sunroof. We've made our way down below on the 420. Notice lots of seating, there's lots of storage. You can bring your guests down below on those rainy days or just to get out of the summer heat. From your TV, your sink, microwave, refrigerator at the galley, everything you need here. This table drops down, makes a filler to make a complete bed. And most of all about Boston Whaler is the C-Zone system. Everything controlled on the boat from an iPad. Here we are in the head. This is a wet head with a complete toilet, shower, everything. Lots of walk around room for a 42-foot center console. Here we are at the switch panel on the 420 Outrage. Everything labeled, easy access. Your motors, stereo main head unit, Fisher Panda, control panel, your ACs for your cabin and your cockpit. Everything just labeled very, very neatly throughout. When you bring your guests on board the 420, you always want to bring them to the bow because that's where the greatest part of the boat is. The way we have this seating configuration set up, you can sit all the way around the table, also with a high backrest for your guests wanting to face forward. We'd like to thank you for joining us today aboard the 420 Outrage. Remember, we're always open at marinemax.com.